Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you how you can schedule publishing of pages in a team site or communication site. So what we will do is actually we will go to the pages. We can go through the menu, or we can go through the gear icon. We can go to site content, and then we can go to site pages. In the site pages, on top we have the button of scheduling. We can enable it, and now it's enabled for all site pages. Now on each individual page we need to activate it. So what we will do is actually we will create a new page, give it a name, and I will call it HR1. Here's some text, and what's important, we will go to page details, and in the page details, we have the scheduling. Now I activated it, and I could put a date and time. So for this episode, I will put it for today in a couple of minutes. So today's the 18th, and now it's 13. So we'll do it 33, and once I close it, I'll see actually, and I press schedule, you will see that this page actually will be published on the 18th at 1:33. Now I have a user which is has only read access. If I copy this link to him, he will not have access because it's not published yet. You see, sorry, no access. So let's go back, and I will refresh. By the way, I have another user which is a member. He can see it, but he will see that it's scheduled. Now I'll actually pause the video and wait until it's ready, and then you will see what will happen. Okay, I'm back, and I see that this page was published. So if I copy this and go to the user that has only read access, and he comes here, now he can see the page. Now I want to show you an additional thing. When you create a new page and you set a scheduler, then you actually can see it also in the site pages. So let's call this IT1, and I will go here and activate the scheduling, and let's put tomorrow, and I'll just do that, and let me just press schedule. Now if I go to the site pages, I will see, do you see this icon here? You see it says this item is scheduled to be published later. So this gives us an indication that these pages are not published yet. By the way, if we add here a status that is called promoted state, we can see actually see this 0, 2 is published. So once the time comes, it will change. So this is it. If you like my channel, subscribe, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.